Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In our class today, we will be looking at how you can enable fill handle that is for drop and down. In Excel, it is automatically expected that when you place a cursor to the bottom right corner of a cell, it activates fill handle and cell drag and drop capability. In case that does not happen, how do we solve that? Click File menu. Go to Options. Click Advanced. Then activate checkbox on enabling fill handle and cell drag, and drop and click OK. Having done that, you have solved the problem. Thank for watching and subscribe.